When you log in to my CCC, in the upper right hand corner, you'll see links for my banner, Blackboard, and your email. Make sure you click on the Blackboard, and then you're going to want to choose the course that we're in, which is Math 1310. Okay, when you choose that, it'll take you to this home page. I want to focus on the getting started in class. And I know that it's very overwhelming for a lot of students that you register for an online class, you have no idea what you need to do. Well, I designed this so you can read kind of step by step the things you need to do for this class. First thing I want to note is that we use an open educational resource, or an OER textbook. That means you don't need to purchase any other materials other than a graphing calculator. I recommend the TI-84 or 84 Plus. You may also try Wabbit EMU. That's just a graphing calculator emulator, which you can download onto your phone or computer or Mac. I will say that out of probably 100 students that have said they've used that, there have been 2 of them that said they had a problem with it crashing their phone or their computer. I do not know the accuracy of that statement. It might have been something else they did that crashed it, but I just want you to be aware that there have been a few students that have said they've had trouble with that Wabbit EMU. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is access this course on Blackboard through my CCC account. And if you're watching this video, you're probably there already. All the course materials are in these links to the left. So everything you need for the course will be in these links. The second thing is read the syllabus and the module and textbook outline. Okay, so under the syllabus link, okay, you can download a PDF for the syllabus. That will have more details than what I go over here. So make sure that you read that. It gives all the information for the course, when the exams are, okay, everything. So make sure that you read that syllabus. There's a module and OER textbook outline, which has more details about the outline and the modules than this outline that I gave, so you can refer back to it. So essentially what you'll see is you'll have a week, and then you'll have an OER textbook section to read, or sections to read, and then there's a Blackboard module that goes along with it. Okay, module A, B, C, and so on. And what those Blackboard modules are YouTube video links and worksheets that I make myself. So I highly recommend that you look at those. Okay, so back to the getting started in class. Okay, so after you read the syllabus and look at the outline, there's these informational videos. So step 3, watch the informational videos. These will show you how to navigate Blackboard, submit problem sets, and any other aspects of the course. Okay, so under that link, okay, there's several different videos to watch. Okay, this video, getting started in Math 1310, will be on there also. Okay, you'll really want to pay attention to submitting work by phone. In this course, the overwhelming majority of students will submit their problem sets by taking a picture on their phone and then submitting it to Blackboard. This is the video that shows you how to do that. Okay, so back to the getting started. So after you look at the syllabus and outline, watch the informational videos, now you're ready to actually start working in the course content. So every week, you'll have a problem set that is due on Sunday at midnight. Prior to completing any problem set, you should do a few things. First thing is read the sections in the OER textbook. And that's what I just showed you with the outline. Watch the YouTube videos and the worksheets that I use in the videos. So over here on the left-hand side, YouTube worksheets. Those are the worksheets that I use in the YouTube videos. Now I will mention that sometimes the videos can be kind of long. I try to do them as short as I can, but sometimes they do drag on a little bit. And sorry about that, but it's just to get the information across and do examples, they do need to be fairly long videos. Okay, so just try to watch them in full. You can always pause the videos, watch them again, do whatever you need to do. But I can say I've been teaching this class for like 6 years now, so over 10 times I've taught this class. the YouTube videos are what the students say are the most helpful aspect of the course that I do for them. Okay, then after you read the OER textbook, watch the YouTube videos, you want to do a small sample of the exercises in the OER textbooks. Okay, and I will mention that watching the videos, that's not mandatory or graded that you do this, but the exam questions and the problem sets may be similar to those videos. Just reading the text or only watching the videos is not sufficient to learn the content well enough to be successful in the course. You need to do both. This course will take a lot of time to do well. Okay, so after you learn the content by reading the textbook, watching the videos, step 5 is actually the start of the graded component. You want to do the problem sets located on Blackboard. The due date is given with the problem set link. Watch the informational videos for instructions. Okay, so under the informational videos, I give you the instructions of how to submit the problem sets. So under the problem sets, okay, I have the guidelines, so you want to make sure that you follow those on how to, on what I expect for showing your work and how to, taking the picture and submitting them. Problem set A will go along with the videos for module A. Click on the PDF and it'll bring up the questions. The due date is given right along with each problem set, so it's fairly straightforward. These are what are due on Sunday at midnight every week. Okay, so just make sure you follow the guidelines and submitting them. Okay, so those problem sets represent 40% of your grade. Okay, and then the second piece of the second component of the graded piece of your final grade are 2 proctored exams. Now, I expect you to come up to the Spencer Hill campus to take the exams. I will email you the details as we get closer to the exam. There are details as far as the date and expectations for the exams in the syllabus, so make sure you read that. There's directions on what to do if the date doesn't work for you or if you need a separate location or anything like that. Now, we do have a testing center at CCC, so we can use that. Make sure you read the syllabus so you understand the directions for the tests. And those will be 30% each, or 60% of your final grade. Okay, so those are the steps and how to get started in the course. Okay, and again, there really isn't much to do in the sense of you have problem sets and then exams. So every Sunday there's a problem set due and then there's exams. To get ready for the problem sets, read the OER textbook, watch the videos for OER. Okay, those are the YouTube videos that I make, and then you're ready to do the problem sets.